Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Thinkific to Mailchimp for student onboarding. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Thinkific to Mailchimp for student onboarding, start by logging into your Thinkific account. Navigate to the admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select Integrations. Look for the Mailchimp option. Click on the Connect button next to Mailchimp. You will be directed to the Mailchimp login page. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, grant Thinkific permission to access your Mailchimp account. After authorization, you will be redirected back to Thinkific. Now, go back to the Integrations page. You will see a list of available Mailchimp audiences. Select the audience you want to connect with Thinkific. Click the Save button to confirm your selection. Next, go to the Manage Learning Products section. Choose the course you want to connect to your Mailchimp audience. Open the course settings by clicking on the course title. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Find the Mailchimp integration options. Enable the integration for this course. Choose the specific Mailchimp audience again if prompted. Once configured, save your changes. To ensure the integration is working, create a test student account. Enroll the test account in the selected course. Check your Mailchimp audience to see if the new student is added. You have successfully connected Thinkific to Mailchimp for student onboarding. This integration will help streamline your communication with students. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.